Bitcoin started 2026 trading around $90,000 per coin, down from its peak of more than $126,000 in late 2025. Some investors see this as a warning sign. Others believe it's just the calm before another major breakout. So what really happens next? Could Bitcoin surge toward $225,000, or could it fall back towards $75,000? Major banks, economists, and crypto analysts are offering very different predictions. Today, we're breaking down the real data. Before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrency investing carries significant risk. Always do your own research. Bitcoin entered 2026 at approximately $90,000 per coin, a noticeable pullback from the all-time highs reached last year. In October of 2025, Bitcoin briefly touched nearly $126,000 before pulling back as profit-taking weighed on the market. While some investors interpreted this drop as weakness, many analysts see this as a normal consolidation phase after a strong bull run. Historically, Bitcoin has experienced periods of volatility before resuming long-term growth, but 2026 may not be a typical year. Several powerful forces could reshape the crypto market entirely. One of the biggest catalysts for Bitcoin this year is regulation. According to Forbes, analysts at Goldman Sachs, led by strategist James Yarrow, believe that 2026 could mark a turning point for institutional adoption. The reason? A long-awaited U.S. cryptocurrency market structure bill, often referred to as the Clarity Act, is currently moving through Congress. This legislation aims to clearly define how cryptocurrencies are regulated and which agencies, including the SEC, have authority. Right now, many large institutions hesitate to enter crypto because of regulatory uncertainty. Banks, pension funds, and asset managers need clear rules. If this law passes, it could unlock massive institutional capital, increase liquidity, and even expand how cryptocurrencies are used beyond trading. Senator Tim Scott, chairman of the U.S. Senate Banking Committee, has stated that hearings and votes on the bill are expected soon. However, analysts warn that the law must pass in the first half of 2026 before political distractions from the midterm elections slow progress. Another major factor influencing Bitcoin this year is monetary policy. Many economists expect the Federal Reserve to begin cutting interest rates. When interest rates fall, returns on bonds and savings accounts decline, pushing investors to seek higher returns in risk assets like stocks and crypto. Lower rates also increase liquidity in financial markets, which historically benefits speculative and growth-oriented assets, including Bitcoin. CNBC quoted the chief economist at Bitmining, who predicts Bitcoin could reach $225,000 in 2026. Despite these bullish catalysts, not everyone agrees on Bitcoin's upside. Some analysts believe Bitcoin could drop towards $75,000. Alex Thorne, head of research at Galaxy Digital, explains that forecasting Bitcoin's price is especially difficult right now due to several uncertainties. Global markets face a complex investment environment. Massive spending on artificial intelligence infrastructure is pulling capital away from other sectors. Some stock valuations appear stretched. Geopolitical risks and liquidity conditions remain unpredictable. These factors can increase volatility. Here's what several leading experts are forecasting for Bitcoin in 2026. Professor Carol Alexander estimates Bitcoin will trade between $75,000 and $150,000. James Butterfill from CoinShares projects a range of $120,000 to $170,000. Jeff Kendrick from Standard Chartered Bank forecasts Bitcoin reaching approximately $150,000 during 2026. Bitcoin's direction in 2026 will likely depend on three major factors: regulation, interest rates, and institutional response. While no one can predict the future with certainty, one thing is clear: Bitcoin remains one of the most volatile and closely watched assets in the world. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more market insights, and let me know in the comments, 200K or correction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.